In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn up the bass in a Waymo. First things first, I'm going to pull up the Waymo app. I can do this before my ride if I want to, maybe even during it. And in the bottom right-hand section, I'm going to click Account. Once I do, I'm going to scroll down and go to Music under Preferences. Once I do, all the way at the bottom, you're going to see Configure Audio Settings. And then I see this. There's a lot I can do here. I can adjust the bounce and fade if I want the music to be in the front of the car or the back or left or right. And then also, as you can see down here, I have 3 different EQ settings: sub, bass, and treble. Kind of interesting, I'll be honest, as a music producer, that they didn't put mid in here. But it's pretty crazy. When it comes to the sub, you can adjust the sub bass and also the bass. So if I want some crazy bump and bass, like a pretty wild style ride, I can crank both and I'm good to go. And one thing I will say is I did test this out this past weekend. Gotta say, Waymos can bump. It does surprise me, gotta be honest, and I mean this in a good way, that you can not only turn up the bass itself, but also the sub bass. And the sub bass is that really low end bass. And one thing I want to say as well is I just did a video about how to connect your Spotify or listen to Spotify in a Waymo. I have that video popping up somewhere here. And remember, in case you didn't know, I'm an electronic artist, and I know some shameless self-promotion. But like I say, when you're in a Waymo, if you want to be bumping the bass, listening to some EDM, definitely check out my Spotify channel. It's listed below in the description. And you can listen to all my music while you're in a Waymo.